Hello magical souls, welcome back to another video. Happy new moon. First thing, cleanse your space. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified when there's a new magical video for you. So remember to cleanse your space first, guys. Get it all nice and smudged. You can use incense, sage, holy water, the whole 9 yards. Let all of that good vibe start to happen. So I'm going to put my incense over here. Let it do its thing. So good, we got the cleansing energy going. So now time to cast a protective circle around us. So I love using selenite because it's one of the self-cleansing crystals, one of my favorites. So earth, air, fire, water, spirit, I invoke these sacred elements of God's creation burn bright. I cast a protective circle around me in this time and space. I invoke Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Metron. Please stand in for your according elements. Blessed be. This is my sacred space and no negative energy can enter trace. As it is my will, I banish you with the light of my grace, so let it be. God and all the ascended masters, I invoke you within my circle. Help me and these beautiful souls with our magic on this blessed day. So welcome back, guys. So today's the first day of the new moon. There's 2 days of the new moon afterwards. And if you're happy to watch this when there isn't a new moon or even a full moon, it's totally fine. It's all about your intention. So you can invoke the energy of the new moon down to you. And yeah, go ahead and do that. It's so easy and simple. All you have to do is use your magic, your power, your intention. You could just say, like, in this time and space, I call upon the new moon's energy to help me in my magic works. Now, come forth to me and shine your light. So it's so simple, guys. All you gotta do, so I'm gonna put my wand down, and all you really want to do during the new moon, guys, is just manifest things. If you want to cleanse your crystals under the new moon, it's fine to do that too. Most people do it under the full moon because that's just the time to do it, to release all that stuff. But the new moon is a time of new beginnings, so I don't see why more people don't cleanse their crystals during the new moon, because it's a new beginning. You want the negative energy to leave. So it's another cool time to cleanse your crystals too, to get a different vibration. So I have this big crystal sphere, the citrine one, to represent the new moon, to just have a big, nice piece. And then I'm going to be working with my smaller one. This one is my little citrine sphere, to just have something like physical in my hand in 3D form to help me out. And I want to work with the energy of love today, guys, since love is one of the most powerful forms of magic. It's the ultimate source of power. It broke the most powerful spells and curses in those magical realms. So gonna use this, and I'm making a grid too. I'm showing you guys how to use crystal grid in this video. You don't have to make yours as elaborate as mine. Use what you have and make it work. It'll just be just as fine. You don't have to have these crazy big elaborate crystals. A tiny little crystal ring is gonna do you just as fine. Either good or evil, if it's tainted or not. I've had experiences with cursed crystal rings where the energy is so strong and it's so tiny. It's all about intention. Don't worry about the materialistic things of the size, guys. So you can use a grid. You don't have to use this too. I'm just using this as a representation of the moon, but it's just using the crystals to raise that energy, that vibration that you're sending out and what you want to manifest. So there's a spell in here to invoke the energy of the new moon, but I already invoked it down. So let's see, there's I think a prayer from your luminous that I like here, guys, for the new moon. I am now free of my past and all energies that are no longer of service to my highest and greatest good. I fully release and cleanse on all levels of my being, all thought forms, emotions, relationships, and any other energies that do not support my highest potential in the light and that do not resonate with my divine blueprint, which I am choosing to now reactivate. I now align with my purest presence, fully opening all of my heart chambers and anchoring in all divine wisdom, guidance, and ideas in relation to the new things that I would like to manifest and create for the fulfillment of my divine plan. The expansion of my faith and ascension, I am now taking action and serving the new being I desire to embody. I humbly accept these gifts of grace and all assistance and support from the higher planes to help me manifest my abundance, and so it is, beloved, I am. If you guys haven't heard of her, I recommend looking at her stuff too, because she has great things. There's abundance invocations, which is perfect for creating abundance right now with the new moon. But okay, let's go to the new moon. So while you're working with the energy of the new moon, you want to call it down, right? And so it feels good, guys, a nice little cleanse, and now we can get started with our magic work. So I did invoke the energy of the full moon down, but I kind of was giving you guys an example, so I just want to do an official, bringing it down. Beautiful new moon shining bright on this blessed day. Come forth to me down from the stars of time and space. Shine your light and bless us while we do our magic work in this time and space. So let it be. So you just want to just grab your crystal, be by your grid, guys, and it's just so simple. All you really have to do is just send out your intention, your desires for the highest good of all. Don't be manifesting stuff that interferes with free will. I don't even need to explain that kind of thing, guys. Karma is real, alive, and will kick you in the butt in this lifetime or the next 5, 6, who knows how many lifetimes. Just be good with what you manifest. Make sure you don't take away free will of other people. So it's just grabbing this, being around that, and then just manifesting, just putting your intention into your crystal, sending it out to God, the universe, to create what you want, and in time you start to see things come. So it's just so simple. You can do that. You can write out your affirmations and your positive manifestations on paper like I've done in the past too. Then you can burn it, send it up to heaven, let it manifest that way too. So everything's already that you want to happen is in like the higher realms and like the 5D, the higher dimensions, and then it's slowly gonna come forth down into the 3D, whether it's within a couple months, a week, years, it'll eventually happen. It's just we have to be patient, guys. We're not in a magical realm, you know what I mean? So it's just like grabbing this, and in this video I just want to manifest things for like all of us, just good energy. May all of us who are sick and who aren't feeling good around this holiday season be feeling better. May all of those beings who are sick be better. I channel God and all ascended masters with their energy, so while I do this magic work I am not drained of any energy. Blessed be. That's another thing, guys. When you do any magic work, you want to make sure that you channel an ascended master, use crystals, the elements, so you don't drain and burn yourself out. You want to tap into their magic and their power, because we're in 3D form. We're little muggles over here. We can't... Our power is like limited. You don't want to be too drained, because I've been burned out too. So yeah, may all who are sick and ill, may they be free from their alignments. May they be healed. May they be happy and healthy this holiday season. May all of those people who need jobs find jobs. May their jobs be happy. And what they want to do, may it be their true job, what they really want to do. That is not even a job, it's just what they love. Just sending love and light to all of you guys. May those of you who are curious about your spiritual path watching this video, confused, may you find peace. May you find truth in the divine. And if this is not your path, being a witch, it's all cool. It's just spirituality, right? So sending love and light out there. And it's just that simple, guys. It's nothing really hard to do when you work with the new moon. It's all about intention and just manifesting it. You can do a fancy ritual. You don't have to. So like I cleansed my crystals and did all of that stuff before I did this, guys. So I used smoke. I called upon the elements to cleanse them. You can use like fire, candles, holy water, earth. Just invoking all the elements in and cleansing, consecrating them, and then I anointed each crystal with not peppermint. I was going to, but I used pine oil because it's the color of like the heart chakra, like love, using love to manifest everything. So just anointed that to add another layer of magic to my crystal. Each layer that you add on just amplifies everything so much more. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all you really have to do to manifest things with the power of the new moon. You can even make new moon water, even though people make full moon water. Maybe with the new moon water, with that intention, with this energy, is to like manifest. So you can spray that spray. It can be your manifest spray while you're in your space and you're creating things. And then, you know, just making sure you cleanse your space, you do everything appropriately, creating sacred space around you like I created around us. Always a good thing to do. You don't need any interference. And yeah, so simple. You guys can even make a grid that you do want to keep and you don't want to take apart. And you can use, what is it called? Double-sided tape on the bottom with the crystals. So you can just create a new crystal grid with new good intention in it. It's just all about your energy and what you're trying to put out into the universe. And you can write it on paper, burn it, send it to heaven like I said. And yeah, I just hope you guys have a great day. I hope this explained a little more in depth on how to do those things. It's kind of what everyone knows, but it's just me voicing it. Maybe it's easier for you to hear it through someone than reading it, because sometimes you need to hear things more than once to get to where you need to be, you know what I mean? And then it's just like wearing some spiritual jewelry, guys. You don't have to, but just working with the crystals, it just all helps out. Blessing them, consecrating them, anointing them, making sure they're all charged and ready to do your spiritual magic. get all those good things out there. I guess I can just read to you guys what I love posting on my Instagram, the affirmations that I like to use. So these are the affirmations I always post on my Instagram, guys. This is just some things to get you started, you know, like my life is rich with abundance of all kinds. I have plenty of money to spare and share. I'm happy, healthy, wealthy, and fulfilled in every way. I'm healthy in mind, body, and spirit. Gratitude and peace flow through my mind and body like a clear healing stream. I honor my body's wisdom by trusting the signals that it sends. My body knows how to heal itself and is doing so even now. My mind is filled with only loving, healthy, positive, and prosperous thoughts. I consciously release the past and live only in the present. I am a magnet of love. Self-love comes to me with ease. My relationship with my body is one of perfect harmony. Nothing stands in the way of my self-love. I choose self-love now. I see my struggles as opportunities to grow and learn. I feel completely comfortable with myself and accept myself with love, respect, and appreciation. So mote it be. And it's just really concentrating and like amplifying that energy, putting it into the crystal, shooting it out there, guys. And yeah, I think I just want to read one more quote. I don't think I really read any quotes in this video, but this one's from You Are Luminous, because I'm sure a lot of changes and things are happening right now too. And this is just something like really sweet and like subtle to like comfort you guys. This quote is, good things only fall apart, my love, so that better things can come together. No is not a rejection, it's protection, redirection. You are luminous. Instead of looking at this as an ending, try embracing this as the beginning to live every dream you've ever wanted to live. You're not being destroyed, left behind, or broken. You're being reborn, brighter, fuller, more luminous. Very wise and so true. So I know a lot of things are happening to you guys, changing, shifting, and that's a little comfort for you. And yeah, I really feel like I should do some more magic in this video. It's more like about manifestation. I want to do something like, I don't know, more magical. What should I do? Elements to manifest what you want. Adding another layer of magic. Let's work with the element of fire. Vis Matos Incendia. Archangel Michael's Blue Flames Rise. So let's say I'm manifesting healing for all of you guys. Let's read the spell. So my intent is healing for everyone watching this video. May everyone who is sick and ill feel better. Candlelight, burning fire, bring to me my desire. Listen to the words I speak and manifest that which I seek. All that who watch this video and who don't, may they be healed in your loving embrace. Archangel Michael's blue flames rise from the skies, rise from this candle. Meet in the middle and help heal those who need your help. By the element of fire it is done, so mote it be. There we go. So simple like that, guys. It's just a simple spell, or just saying your affirmations, your intent. That's the simplest form of magic. It's just using energy and creating it to get what you want, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super simple. So I don't know what I'm going to even call it, working with the new moon to get what you want, manifestation or something. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified for new magical videos and just fun vlogs, you know, all that good stuff. Happy Vlogmas to all of you vloggers out there. I'm not participating because I got lots of work to do, but yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like I always ask down in the comment section. I want to do more magical videos. I need to do more basic ones to those of you who don't know the basic steps, and then just like literally doing magic, you know? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys then. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Look at my book of shadows, so pretty.